Happy 4th of July! Yay!
Hey guys, have a happy 4th of July. Enjoy your camping and fireworks and whatnot. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Okay, here's some most beautiful fireworks that are so cool. Pew, 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 kaboom, pew, pew. Don't they sound cool? These are some pictures I took. You just move the camera when you have it on fireworks setting, and then when you're taking the picture, and it turns out like this. This one reminds me of green hair, like an afro. That one's pretty cool. It's like multiple colors. A giant red ball of light. This one's our school colors, blue and gold. This one reminds me of heart. See? Bloop, bloop, bloop. Some pretty light. Some more pretty light. Oh yeah, my cousin got arrested. Yeah, no, I'm kidding. This one reminds me of a lollipop. And this one reminds me of frogs. I don't know how, maybe like, because it's like bouncy looking. So that's nowhere near as much fireworks as there was. There was only a tiny bit of them. Did you guys see fireworks? Happy 4th of July.